In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate videos from text using Google Flow. Okay, so Google Flow is accessible by just coming to your browser and just type in labs.google/flow and it will bring you over here. This is the next wave of storytelling happening with Google View 3.1 AI. Flow is an AI filming tool built with and for creatives. Okay, it's a very fantastic tool that gives you cinematic videos that you can see, you can use for your B-roll, for your direct content creation, and so much more. Okay, it's wonderful. Now you have to log in with your Google account, of course, to be able to have access to this. And once you're here, let's say we want to generate simple videos with this. Alright, so I have this prompt, a text. I said, create a short cinematic video of a lion walking slowly through the African bush at sunrise. Okay, tall grass moving in the wind, warm golden light and natural colors. Smooth camera movement, realistic style, calm and majestic mood. So you can just go ahead and click on this, but you have the option to use the AI to expand this and make it better. So let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to generally create for us. Now while we wait for this to create, I have another prompt. I'm just going to paste it in. Create a short cinematic video of a lion confidently walking through a busy modern city street. Cars moving in the background, people walking, tall buildings, dramatic lighting, smooth camera motion, and realistic style. So this is going to be two different videos. So I'm just going to send this as well. You have the option to expand this and to select and edit some of the basic settings regarding the video as well. So let's give them some seconds and see what they have generated. And take a look at what it has created in both cases. This is the first case and let's play. What I like the most about it is the ambience and the sound effects that they have connected with the video. So let's hear this. Take a look at the second one. The background and the ambience is what is actually captivating to me. Okay, and let's look at the second option. And take a look at the first option, which is take a look at the background sound effects as well. Very detailed and very captivating. So in each case, you can hover over it and go ahead and download. And if you want to edit also, you can go ahead and edit the particular video you are targeting. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Google Flow AI to generate text to video. Please go ahead and explore and see how you can use it to your own advantage. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.